Dear students of English Literature, this is M. Rahman and you are attending RSA classes of English language. Today our topic is The Merchant of Venice, Act 2nd, Scene 4th, 5th and 6th. Students, let's begin with Act 2nd, Scene 4th. This scene opens in the street of Venice. Students, we see Graciano, Lorenzo, Salarino, Salario. They all are making the preparation for a masquerade. Masquerade is a special function of that place. Their plan is to steal away from the feast given by Bassanio and enter the bouquet hall in a torchlight masquerade. Just as Lancelot gives Lorenzo a letter from Jessica, he reads the letter. When Salario and Salarino are gone, Lorenzo tells Graciano that Jessica is ready to run away from her father Shylock's house. Students, this Lorenzo is the lover of Jessica and he will help Jessica to come out of the house of Shylock. Lorenzo prepares everything for the elopement of Jessica. Elopement is an escape that a beloved runs away with her lover from her home, from the home of her parents. Now she is ready to elope with Lorenzo. Lorenzo tells Graciano that Jessica is ready to run away from her father Shylock's house. She is ready with enough gold and jewels. She was not only coming, but also she is coming with a lot of riches. She has the dress of a page. Page means a personal attendant. Ready means she will come out of the house of her father in disguise in some other dress so that people may not identify her. Lorenzo's plan is that Jessica will join the procession and become Lorenzo's torchbearers. Students, this procession is a special procession of enjoyment in which people wear masks and wear different dresses, and in this way nobody is able to identify the person. Jessica will wear the dress of a page of an attendant and he will hold the torch of Lorenzo. Now students, Act 2nd, Scene 5th, it's Shylock's house. Shylock's house is street, not Shylock's house. Students, this is the street where Shylock's house is there. Shylock tells Lancelot. Now Lancelot meets or come across Shylock there, and Shylock tells Lancelot after coming to know that he is leaving his services that he may go and serve Bassanio. I mean to say, Shylock permits him to go anywhere wherever he likes. Shylock calls his daughter and give her some instructions. Shylock warns her not to move out or even to look into the street. Students, and now could you understand? Shylock is disturbed. She is not happy with the departure of Lancelot. She is aggressive and angry. She calls for her daughter Jessica. I am repeating it. She instructs her not to pay attention on the procession that will pass through or from nearby his house. When he instructs her daughter, she says nothing. He is going and he tells her that he is going to the bouquet or feast given by Bassanio. When he learns from Lancelot that he will see the mask there, he frowns at it. He doesn't like it. He wants his daughter not to hear any music, not to open any window, not to see anything through the window. She should not go to see the painted faces of the masks. Lancelot leaves them. It means Lancelot departs from the house of Shylock. Shylock says that Lancelot is a lazy fellow. He doesn't need any such type of servant. He eats a lot and does nothing. Such a man cannot live with a wise man like him, Shylock. After this, Shylock goes away. Jessica says that now she is going to leave a father and Shylock will be losing a daughter. Jessica is ready to elope with Lorenzo. Now students, you came to know that Jessica is ready to elope with Lorenzo and she was going to disobey his father and she is going to elope with his lover Lorenzo. Now students, act second, scene 6. This scene opens in the same street and we see many other characters here. The scene takes place in the same street. There is masked procession that has already been started with lit torches. The procession reaches a shed and Lorenzo, with the help of Graciano and Selenio, arranged the mask. Mask for whom? Mask was arranged for Jessica. Graciano and Celerio wait for Lorenzo. Lorenzo joins them very soon. Jessica, in the dress of boys, comes here and appears on the shed. She hands over the casket full of gold and jewels and some bags to Lorenzo. Yes, what bags these are? These are the bags which she brought from her father's house. She comes to join them. She becomes a candle bearer of Lorenzo. Students, this was the tradition of that procession, that a servant or a page was attending his master. Master was going before the page and the page used to follow his master. Now in the disguise of a page, of a servant, was Jessica, and Jessica in the dress of a man with a mask, taking a torch in her hand, was following Lorenzo, and in this way nobody was able to identify her. Now this is the end of act second, scene 6. Now students, once again I would like to repeat: act second, scene 4th is street of Venice. Act second, scene 5th opens near Shylock's house in the same street, because from where Lancelot was going. And when Lancelot gives the letter and everything was prepared for the elopement of Jessica, comes act second and scene 6. And in this scene we see that Jessica has already arrived in the procession and she goes with Lorenzo. That's all in this lecture, students. I hope you have liked this lecture, and you please continue to watch RSC classes of English language. Please like, share and comment to us, and subscribe our channel RSC classes of English language, and keep on watching grammar and literature as well. Thanks.